Hey, Shelby girl. How's my mama? She's doing a really good job taking care of the babies. Some of them are nursing. She's cleaning them up. Look at these two sleeping right here. Get a close look. Beautiful, right? Look at that. Isn't that something? You can see them getting longer. Look at that plump little baby. Look at this. Good baby. We got another one sound asleep. Right between the legs. Look at that. The pups are 5 days old. Look at their tiny little ears. Back to the sleeping beauties here, look. Is that precious? Look. This guy trying to stand. I could watch him all day long. Well, I do. Look at that. I'd say getting pretty strong for just a 5-day-old baby. Look. Back to the nursing babies. Oh, I just love them. Shelby girl, you're doing a good job, Mama. She's tired. She's been working hard with them, that's for sure. So that's a peek at the lovers. All right, friends, day 5, and I'd say we're doing really well so far. Y'all come back now, you hear? Bye.